In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up, add or change emergency contacts on a Garmin watch. I'll be doing it for my Forerunner 265, but the steps will be the same for all Garmin watches because it is to be done through the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. So grab your phone and open the Connect app. Now go to the More section and select Safety and Tracking. Now tap on Safety Features. If you're setting up emergency contacts on your Garmin for the first time, then you'll see this screen to activate the emergency assistance service. Tap on Get Started. Now here, you need to add your name, city and state, or you can just tap on Use my current location so that Garmin automatically fetches it. Now tap on Next and from here, select Phone. You can now use any contact from your phone to add as your Garmin Connect contact. Now you'll need to send a verification request to the contact you've selected. As you can see, it's currently showing the assistance contact status as pending. When the contact is verified and agrees to be added as the emergency contact, you will be notified and the contact will be added as an emergency contact on your Garmin Connect app. It will also show up on the Garmin watch. You can also change the emergency contact from the same settings. Just select the contact and tap on Remove Assistance Contact, then confirm it. And that's how you can set up, add, change and remove the emergency contacts on your Garmin. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more wearable content. I'll catch you in the next one.